In a world where data is the new oil, one under-the-radar company could be building the pipelines. Zeta Global, ticker symbol Zeta. While headlines focus on flashy AI names and mega-cap tech, Zeta has been quietly building a robust AI-powered platform that could become foundational to the digital economy. This isn't just another martech play. Zeta enables businesses to harness first-party data, automate customer engagement, and drive conversions with greater precision, making it a compelling story for investors eyeing the future of personalized marketing. If you're scouting for the next big breakout in the data economy, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and let us know in the comments, because Zeta might be flying well below Wall Street's radar. Zeta Global offers something different. At its core is the Zeta Marketing Platform, a unified SaaS system combining identity resolution, AI-driven insights, and omni-channel activation, powered by one of the world's largest proprietary consumer databases. Zeta doesn't just help companies reach customers, it helps them understand who their customers are and how to engage with them in real time. Founded in 2007 by serial entrepreneur David A. Steinberg and joined by former Apple CEO John Sculley, Zeta's leadership brings both vision and operational credibility. Steinberg, who remains deeply invested in the company, has recently increased his personal holdings, underscoring his long-term confidence in Zeta's future. The Marketing Cloud serves major enterprise clients across sectors like retail, healthcare, financial services, and travel, offering scalable personalization and better ROI across customer lifecycles. This cross-industry reach speaks volumes about Zeta's adaptability and relevance. Now that third-party cookies are fading away due to stricter privacy regulations and browser updates, first-party data has become mission-critical. Companies can no longer rely on rented lists or tracking pixels to understand their audiences. This tectonic shift creates a huge tailwind for platforms built around permission-based first-party data, and Zeta sits right at the center of that evolution. Zeta's data infrastructure includes a vast identity graph, powered by billions of consumer profiles. This allows for predictive personalization that aligns with today's privacy-first standards. As brands face pressure to stretch marketing dollars while complying with regulations, Zeta's AI-powered tools offer the intelligence and compliance they need to stay competitive. What makes Zeta's tech stack stand out is the depth of its AI integration. Its platform includes three key components: identity and data, intelligence, and activation. The identity graph enriches and resolves consumer data across devices and touchpoints, giving marketers a unified view of their customers. On the intelligence front, machine learning and generative AI power features like Audience Explorer and Zeta Answers, enabling real-time analytics, audience scoring, and opportunity forecasting. And the activation layer ensures brands can deliver personalized messages across email, mobile, web, and connected TV, right when it matters most. This isn't marketing automation in a silo. It's a full-stack, AI-first engine built to drive measurable outcomes: higher engagement, better conversion, lower churn. Recent results show the strategy is working. In the first quarter 2025, Zeta posted its 15th consecutive beat and raise quarter, growing revenue 36% year-over-year to $264 million. Adjusted EBITDA rose 53% to $47 million, while free cash flow nearly doubled to $28 million. The company added 88 new scaled customers, pushing the total to 548, and grew its super-scaled enterprise accounts to 159. Even more promising, platform revenue now accounts for 73% of the total, highlighting the transition from service-heavy engagements to scalable, recurring SaaS. At the same time, GAAP cost of revenue dropped to 39.1%, a sign of improving operational efficiency. These are strong signals of product-market fit and business model durability. Despite its progress, Zeta remains undervalued compared to its peers. The stock trades at roughly 2.8 CV revenue and 14 times EV/EBITDA, well below competitors like Adobe, Salesforce, and HubSpot. This discount doesn't reflect a lack of performance, but rather a lack of attention. That kind of mismatch between value and valuation can be a major opportunity for investors willing to get in early. So what could push Zeta out of the shadows in 2025? First, Zeta is expanding into high-value industries like healthcare and financial services. These verticals demand privacy-safe, AI-driven platforms, and Zeta's compliance-ready architecture makes it a good fit. Second, the company is launching Zeta Agent Studio, a self-service tool that brings generative AI to the forefront of its offering. This lowers the barrier to entry for mid-market clients and opens new monetization channels. Third, Zeta is deploying the Zeta Economic Index, a behavioral analytics tool that provides real-time insights to marketers, further cementing its thought leadership in data intelligence. These three catalysts, sector diversification, AI expansion, and self-service scale, could multiply Zeta's revenue base and broaden its strategic relevance across new customer segments. But like any growth stock, Zeta has its risks. It faces stiff competition from tech heavyweights like Adobe, Oracle, and Salesforce, all of which have significant R&D budgets and entrenched customer relationships. Zeta's differentiator is its integrated stack and AI-first approach, but that edge could be dulled if competitors accelerate their own AI rollouts. There's also the challenge of scaling in highly regulated sectors where sales cycles are long and customer onboarding is complex. And let's not forget valuation risk. Despite being financially sound, Zeta remains unprofitable on a GAAP basis, making it vulnerable to sell-offs during market corrections or shifts in investor sentiment. Founder David Steinberg owns over 10% of shares and recently bought another $1 million worth at just under $20 per share. A powerful show of confidence. Zeta also boasts strong net revenue retention at 114%, low churn, and a growing base of enterprise customers who depend on its tech for mission-critical workflows. With data privacy becoming a business imperative and AI reshaping the marketing landscape, Zeta's positioning is strategic, not incidental. The platform offers a rare combination of infrastructure depth, operational efficiency, and founder-aligned leadership that few small-cap SaaS companies can match. Put simply, Zeta isn't just riding the AI wave, it's building part of the wave itself. Zeta Global might be one of the most underrated SaaS stocks in the market today. With a differentiated tech stack, growing financial strength, and expanding relevance across industries, it's positioned to thrive in a cookieless, data-hungry, AI-powered world. But the big question remains: will Zeta become the backbone of the next-gen marketing economy, or will it get outmuscled by the giants? Let us know what you think in the comments. Are you placing your bet on Zeta as the next big data AI breakout, or is this still too speculative for your portfolio? Thanks for watching Stocks Telegraph, where we shine a light on the hidden gems before they go mainstream. If today's deep dive helped you understand the Zeta opportunity, smash that like button, subscribe to the channel, and let us know, is Zeta your next 10x play? We'll see you in the next video.